Okay, we just hooked into a bass here, so we're out in the boat, and we're going to set the camera down here. I don't know if it's going to take or not. Probably something will get in the way, more than likely. Try that. There. Ooh, good fish. Good fish. Hard because the tide's running so fast. So. Whoa! He went for a dive. That camera thing went. There we go. Oh, holy smokes! What a fish! Look at the size of that one. It's a nice fish. We'll get him up. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Whoa. Now we don't break off. There we go. Yeah. There's a nice fish. Look at. That's a fish. There's one of the day. Perfect. You got a good fish. Nice. Get in the boat here. Whoa, splashing the camera here. Oh, I suppose that didn't take now. Well, there he is anyway. So probably got most of it when I was landing it, but the thing got in the way here. So anyway, we're out the boat here. Nice day in the river and landing some nice fish. Yeah, it's great.